finalist, Miss Lebanon.
Excuse me, pasok ako, girl.
Colombia?
Experience the best teacher. Ba't nag-enroll ka pa?
And thank you very much, Miss Miriam Cambao. Finalist number 3, could you please approach the microphone? Finalist number 3, please approach the microphone. Finalist number 3, can't you hear me? Please approach the microphone.
Can't you see I already have a microphone? Hi.
Well, finalist
So
number
slow.
3, can't you see that no one would like to ask you a question? So let us all welcome a next person to ask you the question, and that's me.
Hi.
Okay. So, how would you like to be asked? Easy or difficult?
Of course, difficult. Thank you.
Oh, we're not yet finished. Finalist
Ano to?
number 3,
Isa lang ang tanong nga. Ba't pare-pareho?
are you in a hurry?
Bayan,
We're not yet
dami
finished. You know what? You seem like you're an intelligent candidate.
Yes, I agree with you. I am a very intelligent person because I came from an exclusive school
Oh, really? Interesting. For girls?
for horse.
Could you please tell us what exclusive school this is?
Exclusive school.
What is the name of this exclusive school?
Exclusive school.
Could you please tell us the name of this exclusive school?
Paulit-ulit, exclusive nga. Mababang paraalan ng eksklusibo. Yung ganun.
Oh,
Ayan, ang islo.
there you go. There you go.
There you go. Kabayo. There you go.
Well, since here you are, when you were studying in that exclusive school, what was your favorite subject?
Oh, of course, English.
Ooh, English.
English.
Oh, English.
English. In our school, English.
Oh, English.
Yeah. Is it your school?
No, it's not my
Oh,
school.
stuff it.
Okay.
Again, my favorite subject is English.
And what is a verb?
A verb is an animal that flies.
Wow.
Bakit?
I'm so sorry to tell you, but that's a bird.
O kasalanan mo yun. Hindi ka maganda magsalita. Hindi ko naintindihan. Kala ko bird.
Well, then let's
Sisihin
change
mo
the
pa.
subject. From English, what other subject is your favorite?
Sometimes science.
Oh, science.
Yes.
Could you please define science?
Science, it is the study of a systematized body of knowledge.
Oh,
I told you. You don't believe me.
impressive.
Yes, I am.
So, what are the different branches of science?
Branches? Ano to? Mall? SM? May Iloilo? Cebu? SM Manila? Ano to? Meron bang Science San Lazaro? Science Cubao?
Let me give an example. Biology. Another example, chemistry.
Branch biology.